Starfighter, coaster, railgun, dump truck, RTS, wingsuit, RPG, tank, killer robot. Roblox. What will you build? Roblox.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Communications Commission in conjunction with Telluride Communications. Telluride Communications has detected an unauthorized cable receiver in possession of someone in your area. This is illegal and can result in fines or jail time if you is the person that is using the unauthorized cable receiver and currently watching channels without a Telluride subscription. Please report it immediately. Remember, piracy is a crime. Also, if law enforcement comes to your door, provide proof of legal ownership of a cable receiver with your cable card or cable bill. Thank you for your attention and cooperation.
Movie message now.
Third tree to the left. I even had a line. Watch out for my roots! But instead of downloading the video of my performance, you download an app. I know. You're close to your date limit and had to choose. So my play lost out to a MicroStrategy app. I don't even know what that is. I hope you like it.
Switch to Sprint, the only network with truly unlimited data.
Please stay calm. Help will arrive between 1 and 10 hours.
Hashtag stuck in an elevator.
The following message is being broadcast at the request of the Federal Communications Commission and the Union County Sheriff's Office. Local stations in your area have continued to detect the use of modified or illegal cable television receivers within the Union County area. As a reminder, pirating cable television channels or content is a felony offense under 47 U.S. Code Section 553. If you are receiving this message, you are in possession of an illegal cable television receiver or are receiving illegitimate broadcast signals. Telluride Communications is currently launching an investigation into these illegitimate broadcast and cable television receivers, and has the approval of the state of Florida to use extreme force or lethal force if necessary. It is believed that station there is using an expired license to broadcast Nickelodeon programming to northern Florida, allowing thousands of children to watch Nickelodeon programming for completely free. This is completely unacceptable. The governor of Florida has declared martial law for all of northern Florida, and all roads leading and exiting from northern Florida will be immediately closed until further notice to stop pirates from escaping from law enforcement. Martial law will be lifted once the culprit or culprits of this breach of integrity are found. The Union County Police Department has full authorization to shoot any offenders on site without cause. The WBIR building will be met with the full might of police, SWAT and the United States Army due this transgression of great proportions against our great nation. As for any users abusing this breach in licensing, law enforcement will be in contact with you soon. Thank you for your compliance in this emergency. The following message is being broadcast at the request of the Federal Communications Commission and the Union County Sheriff's Office in conjunction with Tele-Red Communications and Paramount Global. Tele-Red Communications has still detected the use of an illegitimate cable television receiver in Union County, Florida. This receiver is reportedly receiving signals from the Nickelodeon television channel. The Union County Sheriff's Office and Police Department with the United States Army are currently en route to sweep the county and find out who is the scum pirating cable television channels. At time remain in your residence and do not go outside or you will be immediately shot by soldiers or police officers. If law enforcement comes to your house, comply with everything they say and have proof of payment as a cable bill to prove that you are not a pirating scum. If you are found guilty of pirating cable television channels, you will be immediately executed on site without trial. Do not try to run, it will not work. For the pirating scum in Union County, we are coming for you and we are going to kill you, pirating scum.
SpongeBob SquarePants. We'll be right back on Nick.
The following message is being broadcast at the request of the Union County Sheriff's Office in conjunction with Tele-Red Communications and Paramount Global. The identity of the criminal pirating cable television channels in Union County, Florida has been confirmed. His full legal name is Gaydon Smith Davis. He is a 21-year-old man living in an abandoned house in Union County. He is 6 foot 2 inches and is of European descent and has black hair with green eyes. Law enforcement is en route to the address mentioned to deliver justice against Gaydon. Gaydon, if you are watching this, there is a way that you can avoid legal persecution by sending a $400 check to Paramount Global's headquarters at 1515 Broadway, New York City. If this letter is sent by 8:40 p.m. EST, law enforcement will be at your door and will not show any mercy. Thank you for your compliance. We know you're hearing this, and we got a message for you criminals. Come. You got 1 minute to pay after Paramount, or we will kill you. If you try to run, we will shoot you with our machine guns directly on your stupid head. If the payment is not sent or given to us by 8:30 p.m., you must surrender, or we will kill and explode your house. Remember, you've got 1 minute. Time's up, Jadon. The police are in your property. There is no point to hide from us. It won't do you any good. Exit now at the end of this emergency alert, or we'll enter by force. If we don't manage to find you, your unofficial cable television receiver will detonate within 10 minutes. To make sure you get punished, forfeit immediately to the United States Army and the Union County Sheriff's Office and Police Department, or face immediate execution. Do you want to surrender or not? Because if you don't, as we have already mentioned, we are going to kill you. Come out with your hands up, scum, and you don't get hurt.
Don't you know it's me now? Yeah, who is it? Back with a brand new beat now. FBI, open up!
both men down.
Please stand by for a message from the police chief of Union County.
Filthy TV pirate Jaden is dead. He was shot by one of our officers while in his home. He was immediately shot in the head after and thrown in a river to make sure he's dead. And to all television or pirates of any service, we are coming for you and we are going to kill you, blow up your house and torture transgression that is piracy. Martial law has been lifted and it is now allowed to go outside. We got him.